I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to explain how to delete multi-Woocommerce products at the same time. Deleting multi-products from online stores is a common and necessary option, which we considered in the Woocommerce bulk product editing plugin. You can delete the products according to any features by filtering them from the filter form or after finding them using the quick search box in our plugin. Now, to delete multi-products in this plugin, you have to filter those products from your website. For example, in this tutorial, we're gonna delete the products that their stock quantity is less than 3. So let's get into it. First, go ahead and open the filter form, and then the stock tab. Then set the stock quantity in the range of 0 to 3. Then go ahead and click on Get Products button. Alright, now let's talk about setting the columns of product table. To better follow this tutorial, it makes sense to add the columns related to the stock quantity since we filtered them before. As we have already created this column profile as a preset named stock, we can easily apply it to our table from the profile column, as you can see. Now by clicking on Apply to Table, you can see that it only shows the products with a stock quantity of less than 3. For more information in that regard, you can also check out our channel. After filtering the products you need to delete, you have to select them by clicking on the checkbox next to ID to see the delete option in the main page, which contains 2 options. So the 2 options are move to trash and permanently. If you choose move to trash, the products you have selected will be removed and transferred to the trash box of Woocommerce. So if we open the trash page from the Woocommerce products page, we can restore those products to our website again. You can also undo the last action by clicking on the undo button on the plugin toolbar. If you choose permanently, it is not possible to restore the removed products because, well, obviously they are deleted from the Woocommerce product permanently. When you click on permanently under delete button, you'll see a pop-up which asks you to confirm that those products must be deleted permanently. So the products will be permanently deleted from the list of products in your website by clicking on Yes, I'm sure, and you won't have any access to them to restore or do any other changes in the future.